Hello. So, what the fuck is happening? So, sorry. Today's project is to install some outlets, and before I do that, I will show you what kind of outlets I'm doing today. I know, it isn't perfect. Yeah, so back to business. Just a moment. Some seat arrangements must be done. So, my order from China has arrived. I have these dimmers. Just a moment. Like so. These will be used when I get the LED lighting from China. Yes, I'm using Chinesium. I'm thinking about installing the lights when I receive them, so that they will run under that piece of wood. There is a, well, I can show you. There is a small space here where I'm going to mount those LEDs. And these dimmers are for, well, just to get some adjustment to LEDs. I don't know why, but these were something like $1 per unit. $1, no, €1, and another euro for postage, so not a lot of money. These are just some cheapo thingies from China. But then the outlets, which are today's agenda. They look something, they come in a plastic bag like this, and this is the outlet. So it has a nut that will tighten the outlet to that wooden piece over there when I drill a hole. And these have two USB power outputs. So really basic phone charging method. And as you can see, there is a positive and negative marked nicely on the connectors, and of course there is the Chinese export marking. And well, the plan is to drill a hole about there, just a little higher over there. I don't know if you guys can see, sorry, tilting the camera. So the plan is to drill some holes over here and then just pop these into place. And so before I start the work, I will show you what comes with these USB outlets. Sorry about the wind noise, but there is this main thingy, then there is this flange that will go something like that. Then they have already included two of these crimp connectors and the screws for the flange. So I'm pretty stoked about these. When you think these are €2 per one unit, only €2 and you get all of that. And €2 is from China to Finland, so really cheap. I wonder how can this be possible. But anyway, that's about enough yammering. Time to start drilling. I'm using my awesome drill. I love these things. The brand is very well made. Well, the product is very well made. And for the drill bits, yeah, I know some of you guys who do a lot of woodworking and better workmanship than I do will cringe, but I bought this sort of generic spade type of drill bits, and I have made one test piece at home where I tried to drill piece using the 25 millimeter blade, but I think it was too small. As you can see, it isn't much, but enough to mess up my day. Yeah. So 25 millimeters, no go. I think this is one of those, this hurts me so much, imperial units called 1 cubit, because this is just a hair over 25 millimeter. So something like from there to there. I know 1 inch to be precise, but I hate the word inch. Except in car tires. I see, hey, this is a problem. Just a moment. A vital piece of my installation is missing. Coffee. Can't do without it. So, enough talking, more stuff being made to happen. So, and now there is a hole. And since you guys are here with me, I will... well, just a moment. This takes some fiddling to do. Why is that so? Oh! Probably. Yeah. Much better, I think. The next part of the installation is unscrewing the nut and taking this flanging matinee and just install it over here, and then just screw it on and then put the nut on. So, and of course I have to go and get my screwdriver. Oh, fuck no. What? Where is this? Why? Ah. Sorry guys for the noises, but I think there is some water in my boat. Inside my boat, to be exact. And just a moment. I will take you guys along. So, just finding out which drill bit is the most accurate. So the screws look like these. Yeah, hey. No, yeah, much better. That one. Pikachu, I choose you. Yeah. And then back up here to do some screwing around. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to screw you. So, new try. A little bit crooked. I like the camera, sorry. But yeah, I think that's straight enough for me. So, time for another screw. Just a moment. Now it's much better. Then the other screw. Let's take, well, something like that. So, the flange is installed. Then I'll just poke that over there, like so. I like this rubber flap that gives the thing some rigidity. So, I will take you along. I don't know if you guys can see anything from inside, but yeah. So, there is the other end of the outlet, and I will try to get this camera mounted so you guys can see what I'm doing. Like AVE says, I do my best work in the dark with one hand. Oh yeah. Amen. There is the fact. Sorry about the cursing. There is, I found some water. A little more. I have to try it out. But yeah. Next step is to make power connection, and I will take you to it. Bye. So, some weather updates from Finland. This is sort of intermission or something in my small pathetic show. But anyway, I watch SV Seeker and Lady Do and all of those guys in United States, and they get snow and ice and very Finnish kind of weather. But when you look outside, it's plus 10 degrees. 10 degrees. This is so fucked up. Climate change. Be aware. Yeah, but back to business. So, off camera I installed the second one. The other one looks like this. It's in the right place when the little shelf that I'm making goes in the place. I can charge my phone and leave it in the shelf. So it will have this kind of lip and the phone will stay there. Or other mini USB or iPhone or whatever. But anyway, then I realized something. I used the wires. The wires that I used was the wires for the lighting. So I have to take some measures to create a new wires, but I still have plenty of wire left, so no problems. But yeah, it would be nice if I could think straight. I've been sick, so please forgive me. We have this flu epidemic going on in Finland and everybody's sick and so on, and including me. Yeah, but what shall I do next? What shall I do next? Should we install the dimmers to the place or wait for the LEDs to show up? Well, while we are in the subject of dimmers and so on, this wire will have that one, so I can mount it somewhere, not in this place, but something like this, and then I can adjust the light brightness level of the interior lights, so it will be nice and comfy at all times. And well, I'm out of coffee. That's never a good sign. But yeah, I'll get back to you when I can think something to do. Oh, the gap. That haunts me like So, this is the meat hook abortion that I have created. Dun dun dun. So, I took the remaining wire for the interior lighting that went to the starboard side from the battery, down there, across the V-bird, and then I pulled it here to the dimmer, and then I cut the wire, took some new wire, pull it through. I know the hole is in a wrong place. I should have put it over there. But anyway, yeah. So I have created a sort of T-junction thingy here. So as you can see, this is the input voltage and this is the output. So the output goes over here. Then I split it in two, so the positive wires are here and the negatives are, of course, the other side. Duh. Very simple. Huh? But then the other wire goes to there and the other wire goes all the way to the where? Yeah, there, just underneath the other outlet. Now I have power for the interior lights as soon as they arrive. And this took me about, what will I say, about an hour of head scratching how to do it, and then the actual doing it part. And I think this is just held in place with 2 screws that I had laying around, and it's very tight, so no problems there. And now I can adjust the lighting and get some Barry White thingy going on, and perhaps lure a female into my boat. Yeah, but in 1 hour the sun has set. There is no more daylight, and the clock is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So just a moment. No, where is here is the autofocus button. So I can yell, "Focus, you beep." Yeah. Anyway, that's about it for today. So nothing much to do. Next project is that boat. I have to. There has been something wrong with the winterization, so putting antifreeze through the cooling system and so on, and me and my friend forgot to put the hatch on to the raw water filter, so it has come back from the engine, and well, the bilge is full, but that's not a big problem. We have a pump, we can just pump it out and clean it with some brake cleaner, and that's it. But it has to be done. I hate the fact. But yeah. Hey, thanks for watching, you guys. This is an honor to me to have almost 80 subscribers. I am so stoked. 80 of you people wanna look what I do here with my broken English and bad ideas. Oh, hell. You can see this one. It still haunts me. I have to deal with it. Not now, but sometime soon. Yeah. But that's about it for today. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, leave a like, or do not like and don't subscribe. But please do not unsubscribe. But anyway, hey, thanks again. Bye bye.